This is the 3D model of our new branch office in Novi Sad, Serbia, and as you can see we have 3 temperature sensors in these 3 rooms, and using provided API we are reading weather data from openweather.com. We have created this web application using Autodesk Forge technology, and the 3D model was created in Autodesk Revit. To demonstrate real-time connection between sensors, this 3D model and web application, we are heating this large room, and as you can see at this moment the room temperature is now 29 degrees Celsius. At this moment we are shutting down heating and we will open the window. As outside temperature is quite low, the room temperature will drop quite quickly, and as you can see at this moment temperature is 28 degrees and still dropping, 27. The room color will change based on temperature, so if the room temperature is below 21 degrees Celsius, the color of the room will be blue. If the temperature is between 21 and 25 degrees Celsius, the room color will be green. If the temperature is between 25 and 27 degrees Celsius, the room color will be orange, as you can see in this other room. And if the temperature is higher than 27 degrees, you will see room in red color, as it was on the beginning of this presentation. So based on those limits, now we have one room in blue color, one room in orange and one room in green color. We have managed to change the 3D model based on real-time sensor data.